Banca Teatina. Banca Teatina S.p.A., formerly known as Nuova Cassa di Risparmio di Chieti S.p.A., was an Italian savings bank headquartered in Chieti Scalo, Chieti, Abruzzo region. The bank was formed on 22 November 2015 to replace the old Cassa di Risparmio della Provincia di Chieti S.p.A., which was under special administration from 2014 to 2015. The bank was bought by UBI Banca on 18 January 2017 for a nominal fee. Cassa di Risparmio della Provincia di Chieti S.p.A. was the successor of the bank that known as Cassa di Risparmio della Provincia di Chieti, which was under legal reconstruction in 1990s. The former legal entity of Cassa di Risparmio della Provincia di Chieti became Fondazione, Cassa di Risparmio della Provincia di Chieti, which was the majority shareholder of the S.p.A. before its failure in 2015. History. Cassa di Risparmio della Provincia di Chieti was founded in 1938 by the merger of Cassa di Risparmio. In 1992, due to leg amato, the statutory corporation was split into a company limited by shares Cassa di Risparmio della Provincia di Chieti S.p.A., in short Chieti S.p.A., and a banking foundation Fondazione Cassa di Risparmio della Provincia di Chieti Fondazione Chieti in short. The foundation was the owner of Chieti S.p.A. for 80%, with Cariplo owned 20%. Cariplo also owned 20% shares of Abruzzo savings banks Caripe and Turcos. Intesa Sanpaolo, as the successor of Cariplo, still owned a minority interests in the bank until 2014 bankruptcy. Insolvency. Nuova Chieti / Banca Teatina. On 22 November 2015, the bank split into a good and bad bank. The foundation lost the control on the company, which had no assets but share capital and subordinated debt. The new bank had a share capital of euro 141 million and a Tier 1 capital ratio of estimated 9%, while the bad loans were transferred to a single bad bank REV Gestion Crediti, which was shared with Carife, Banca Etruria and Banca March. The transfer was completed in January 2016. The rescue of the four banks was in line with the EU Bank Recovery and Resolution Directive, which the Bank of Italy was the national resolution authority of the Single Resolution Mechanism. At 31 December 2015, Chieti had a net equity of euro 117 million and a CET1 ratio of 9.53%. On 12 January 2017, UBI Banca made a binding bid of a nominal euro for Nuova Chieti, Nuova Banca Etruria, and Nuova Banca March. The banking group also requested conditions that the balance sheets of the three banks would be cleaned up before the completion of the deal, which was done by selling NPL to Atlant Roman II and Credito Fondario, as well as Recao. On 18 January, the bid was accepted. On 10 May, the transaction was completed, which Nuova Chieti was renamed to Banca Teatina effective in September. On the same day, a plan to merge the three banks into UBI Banca was also announced. Banking Foundation. The former largest shareholder of the bank, which the bank as an S.p.A. was spin-off from, now known as Fondazione Chieti Abruzzo e Malais. It still operates as a charity organization. Due to the bail-in of all the equity investment in the bank, as of 31 December 2016, the foundation owned a net assets of EU 11 million, comparing to EU 89 million in 2014. Gallery.